Do you know why trading tips for buying and selling stocks will not work? Welcome back to Bangalore Trader YouTube channel. Let's get started. Because see, the one who is giving your tips, he might be a profitable trader or he might be seeing consistent profits to him. But if you take a same trade and if you try to execute on chats on the day, it will not work for you. Because in trading, every moment your analysis should be in place and you have to incorporate with broader market analysis like your index nifty or bank nifty. You have to incorporate with that. Depends on the current market scenario, you have to take your own decision. What happens if you take a tip and if you try to trade it? See, he might have done the analysis on the previous day and he have given you the particular entry, exit and stop loss. When you try to execute on the next day, what happens is before coming to your entry point, it might turn away and just go to near your profits, or it might stop you out, or it can give you an entry before reaching your target. It might turn away and take away all your profits and stop you out. This will happen because you have to do your own analysis at that moment. If you don't do that and if you just rely on someone else's tips, definitely, the majority of the percentage, you'll get stopped out. The trade will not work. So as I always tell you, you prepare yourself. You learn a strategy, you master it, then you trade. Please never ever rely on any tips. Most of the time it will not work. If you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe to my Bangalore Trader YouTube channel. Thank you all.